Alrighty guys, welcome back to the BrosAuto channel. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you want to get caught up on this build, it's a 2017 Chevy Corvette. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Now, today we are actually getting ready to paint this car and prep everything for paint. So I got my brother coming in from out of town. He's gonna give me a hand with this thing and hopefully we don't screw this thing up. So go ahead and watch to the end and to see the final results. Will it be a fail or a win? Alrighty guys, so I got everything sanded down, almost ready to go inside that paint booth. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and wash everything down with some good old dish detergent because it's tough on grease and it'll help rid of all the extra, maybe micro grease, whatever is left on the body panels. And we'll go ahead and set everything all up inside the paint booth. Alright, let's get back to work. Alrighty guys, I got everything prepped up and ready to paint. Everything is laid out all real nice. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. What is going on guys? I'm here with my brother and we're about to go paint the Corvette today. But first we're going to stop by and get some coffee. So stay tuned. We'll see you at the shop. Alrighty, we're back at the shop. Got everything all prepped up. I got the coffee. Got my coffee. What are we doing? Alright, let's get this thing painted. Alright, so we're about to go ahead and start mixing up some paint. Everything is prepped and ready to go. What do you think? I think it's gonna turn out looking good. Which panel do we start from? Do we start with a bumper, the quarter panel, the fender? First, I think we need to clean our gun out. Change that tip. Yeah? Yes. My bro right here, about to mix some paint. I haven't even looked at this. So why are you going over this again?
To remove all the little debris.
The dust particles that may be on the panels from your big old beard. All right, so what are you gonna be spraying first? You're gonna probably start out with the bumpers and maybe some of the...
We're gonna start off with the dark pieces first.
Why the dark ones? Just because you need to cover them, give them a couple more layers of paint, or?
Yes.
Bro that showed up to help us. Alright, you guys, so I got everything all painted. My brother's helping me here right now, and what I'm about to do is go over there and mix up some clear. For our clear, we have some chroma base.
So there he's mixing it, the ratio 4:1. panels here to paint. What do you think, the final outcome?
I think it looks very nice.
Yeah, it came out super nice. I mean, it's super shiny. I just can't believe that chroma base.
Did the job.
Yeah, it looks really good. All right, so that's it for right now, and
We'll see you back here tomorrow.
yep, thank you. Alrighty guys, so we finally got the Corvette all painted up. It looks super nice and shiny. So let's go ahead and take a little walk around this car and see what we got going on. So we got some of the parts like the headlights that we still have to install. We got to put this front bumper back together and all these other little miscellaneous parts that you see laying around right here. So our next step is to actually take all these parts, put them back on the car, and I think that's it for now. But the paint job came out really nice and I'm very happy with it. So stay tuned for the next video as we'll go ahead and start putting this car back together and maybe take it for a spin. What do you think? Slide this in real nice and careful here.